not close, Shelby. Okay. This is stinky one.
I don't know. You gotta open it and see. Grandma sent it for you. Grandma and Grandpa.
What is it?
I don't know. Pull that. What is it? A tractor.
Open it.
Sure.
No, open that.
Yeah, we can open.
That.
Yeah. Say thank you, Grandma.
Grandma.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Where's this open?
That's for Elsie. You can open it.
There's a baby. There's a baby.
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. Let's see.
What's
Make
this?
sure you show her what she got.
She should come down here and see.
We don't open this a baby.
Here, can you do it? I'll help you get it started.
What is it? What is it?
Is this for you?
Mommy. Back, mommy. Back, mommy. It's harder.
Let's rip it.
Need some help?
What's that?
Okay, pull it. What is it? A new bear for Elsie.
Because hers was broken.
You want to go give it to her? Put this down like this. Okay, go give it to her.
Can you bring it over? Oh, baby, you just hit her in the face.
Looks like a shirt for Oliver. A new shirt. A football shirt. Okay, let's open it.
Open this one to me.